Today we're going to show you how to make some sublimation journals. We're going to take these blanks and make some journals. And in true Strange Remains Curio Shop fashion, they're going to be weird. This whole process, we're going to film and take you through it. It is marked by chapter, so the first part is about design. I use Canva, so it's about importing images, removing backgrounds, combining different elements. If you don't need that part, you can skip ahead to the actual sublimation process. Let's go. Hi, Jackie from Strange Remains here, and I'm coming to you live from the bubble. I've never been in a bubble before in this way. I like it. So today I'm going to be making a journal cover and the sublimation machine. So the first thing I'm going to do is design it. I use Canva and it's really easy to use and everything. And I have a blank document. It's 9.1 by 5.7 is my template. So I like to take images of creations that we've made that I love that have sold and they can live on in other forms. So I want to take some like dolls that we made and make them into a journal. I have some pictures I'm going to import and some backgrounds, kind of combine them and make something good. So these are printed as one big image and folded along the center here. So keeping that in mind, this would be the front cover and this would be the back. So I'm going to bring my image in here and this one is a carnival theme. Takes us back to the days. All right. So here is the image and I'm going to do background remover just to get the plain image so that it seems like they're living in this world that I'm creating. And I've got this carnival background. So on the back cover, I think this would be good. It seems like it might be too busy for these dudes to have that behind them, so maybe I'll do a solid color for that. Okay, so there's that kind of matches the sky in the background. Let me see if there's a better color here. No, that looks like about as close as we're gonna get here. Got these cuties and I'm going to edit this, see if I amp up the saturation or if it'll pop some more. Whoa, that duck is yellow. Super yellow. Okay. And also, let's see what the clarity. Get it a little bit darker. I'll put it there. What about sharpness? Okay. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller because I don't want to get it cut off. I like the front and back, but I wanted to feel like they're more in that world magic erase because there's already a Ferris wheel, so I don't want this. Go away! Okay. No more Ferris wheel, yay! To the photo. Okay. Whoa, that's kind of cute, honestly. But I feel like maybe. There's a lot of craziness going on there. I'm gonna try something. Oh, I didn't want that. I'm gonna try to edit this image and see what happens if I do a magic eraser like in this area. This is where like they are. If I could make this a blur, then they might be able to be not lost in all the details of this. Let's see. Hey, not bad. Not perfectly aligned. Yeah, that kind of looks cute. Little foot looks like it's on a little bit, so maybe in that corner I'll erase just a little bit more. Teresa. Sometimes when you go to fix something, you make it worse. But I think this is still savable. Erase. Okay. Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, I'm gonna download it and then I'll open like a Word document and put it in there and then I'll print it. So that's the next step here. Thank you. See you at the printer. And we have a mirror image on here, so we flipped it before we printed it so that when we sublimate it'll be correct. And these kind of look kind of faded when you first print them out, but once they get pressed they get a lot more vibrant. So now we have this printed, so we'll put the blank journal on it. Put this cardboard in the middle to keep it straight so it doesn't get faded on the spine. Also are going to do this one. It is a skeleton boneyard.
All right, so I'm going to set this to 365 degrees for 60 seconds for our first pressings, and then we will knock it down on time a little bit because we're going to do some patches and journals. So.
Now we can assemble it. So two-way adhesive. Fill the first. And set it on the back of the journal. Always make sure, like I just did, that actually you see what time. That's the front. And I have done one upside down before. Don't want to do that, so put this one on the back. Okay, so I can peel off the other side. Just gonna do a little bit right now. Line up. And we're good. The picture turned out super clear. It was a little bit too big, so the duck is closer to the edge than I'd like. So next time I do this, I'll do it smaller, but super clear. This is this one front and back. And this is the skull one. Really sturdy, and quality is really good.